Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here, taking a walk and talk. What's holding you back? That's the question for today. And that's what I want to talk about. On where you are with your life successes, what you want to be when you grow up, what you just want to be. What's holding you back? What's stopping you? Like, what's holding you back from just getting out and getting some exercise? Trying to stay in shape. Believe me, I've been exercising for over 50 years, more than that. And I don't like to do it all the time. But the only thing holding me back from that is my own laziness, my own lack of motivation. Same thing with trying to eat right and be on a good diet. Now I know you guys are saying, well, that's the fried egg sandwich guy talking about eating right. Well, I got over 800 videos on YouTube. Check them out. There's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds about nutrition and eating right and losing weight. But that's besides the point. So what's holding you back from the success that you want? The person you want to be. What's holding me back is this one. I can't get up. Oh, I got over it. And it's windy. It wasn't windy a few minutes ago. So, well, my theory is, unless you're physically or mentally handicapped, and we'll take those caveats and push them aside because a lot of things are holding you back that way, although you can be very successful. The only thing left that's holding you back is what? That guy right there. You, not Foster. I'm here to help you. But you yourself, you're holding yourself back. You have more power than you think. You have more tools than you think. You have the ability to be smarter, to educate yourself, to continue reading, to be focused, to set goals, to figure out why you do things that you shouldn't do, and get that motivation, get that feedback from others, get that accountability. Only thing holding you back is yourself. And again, let's go back and revisit. If you're physically handicapped, well, one of the greatest minds in history of mankind just passed away a few months ago. His name was Steve Hawking. And the last several decades of his life, he couldn't even talk. And he only communicated by like a twitch of his finger. And he managed to be one of the most successful human beings ever. The only thing holding him back was the fact that he had a handicapped body, but nothing stopped that guy. And mentally handicapped, well, I know a lot of people that have challenges mentally, and they're the most motivated people I know. So when you think about those inspirational stories, think about yourself and what you need to do to be the successful person that you want to be. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
The only thing left